Not much of a review this morning. Hell of a rain last night. A lot of fog. Wet and soggy. Good day to make you guys a video. Yo, Goudy, checking in. This is Kitty. I've been feeding her all winter. She doesn't like Lucy much. Lucy doesn't like her much. But she keeps coming back. She's a wildcat. She's just a feral cat. She won't let me, well, I can just pet her just a little bit. But she gets nervous. Let me put it to you that way. But when I call her, I just call her Kitty. I don't even know if it's a he or a she, but when I call her, I call her Kitty, and she meows at me. And we'll come to the food. So yeah, I get her a can of that wet food. She likes that a lot. And then I got some dry food that I give her. So yeah, nice to have her around because all this wood down. I got a little bit of a rodent problem outside there. So it's nice to have her there, and she catches them. Look at this mess. Holy cow, those squirrels are getting back at me. Yeah, the boat sits out underneath a covered pavilion, and for some reason the squirrels wanted to chew on the transom and ruined it, actually. So I had to tear that all out, and as you can see, I have repaired this thing. It is a mess. So this year I didn't get my boat out yet because I'm not done. I'm not only since I got the transom out, I'm going to redo some of the carpet and redo some of it. So keep him busy. I got so far on the boat and I had to stop and take a break and go out and see if I could find some morels. This year was excellent. They were everywhere. Nice big ones, the kind that I really like, the kind that you can trip over. Yeah, that's how big they are. I soak them in salt water and then rinse them and dry them, and it depends how buggy they are. These were not buggy at all. These were excellent, fresh, pretty fresh. And then I dip them in an egg wash and fry them in butter in a cast iron skillet. Oh, that coating. The coating is just cracker crumb, just plain cracker crumb. And that is real butter, salted butter, melted, and you cook it over a medium flame. You don't want it too hot. No, you don't want to get it, you just want them golden brown. And then you drain them onto the paper towel. And oh my goodness. I look forward to this meal every year. And since the boat's down, I guess I could have gone out and caught them from shore, but I didn't. I went out and I raided the freezer, found me a New York strip. Oh, yeah. Little shrimp, little salad, little steak, and morel mushrooms. Hard to beat. Lucy Lou had a visitor. That's Teddy. He come down to visit. That's Ellie Mae's dog. Ellie Mae and the grandkids. They came down for a springtime visit. We cooked up some burgers, some mac and cheese, and I think there's a relish tray. And of course we had the marshmallows and the s'more stuff. That was fun. Granddaughter's been out already this year. Gets nice crappie right out of her own pond. Hard to beat that. This is just a quick check-in for now. I'll have more to come later. I want to thank you for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Bill Goudy out.